Have you tried this fantasy-themed cafe in Baguio? Hindi pa, tara sa Marauders Brew Cafe. This is located at Quezad Road, likod lang ng Crown Legacy. Meron nga pala silang bagong space which is the Secret Room. Meron silang February special drinks na ino-offer. Perfect this love month at panagbenga season. These are Strawberry Kiss Latte, Love You So Matcha at Pink Potion. Syempre, sinamahan na rin namin ng Wild Hog Sliders. Ito, mainit-init pa at bago sa kanilang menu, ang Dragon Scales Beef Nachos na perfect to share with your loved ones or friends. So sa drinks, I highly recommend the Strawberry Kiss Latte. Lasang-lasa mo yung base espresso na may hint ng strawberry. Para naman kay Bakat, sakto lang yung matcha. Di siya fan kasi ng strawberry. Pero kung gusto mo ng matcha and strawberry, bagay sa'yo ito. Love You So Matcha. Yung Pink Potion is perfect sa mga mahilig talaga sa strawberry. Sakto yung sweetness niya. For the Wild Hog Sliders, malasa yung adobo flakes, may hint ng pesto. Pero itong Dragon Scales Nachos talaga, napaka-cheesy at beefy. Laki pa ng serving, tapos may toppings na freshly chopped tomatoes. Overall, babalikan at tatambayan talaga dito. Napaka-warm and cozy and magical ng place. Kaya what are you waiting for? Ayain na to go on a date. Loved one, family, or friends sa Marauders Brew Cafe. At don't forget to like and follow for more.